Okay, what's up, everyone? This is Zack from Sounds Like Soma. It has been a while since I've been making videos. We have just been so busy here at the studio. We've been growing to now 4 studios. We have interns. We have other engineers working under me, working with me, renting out the studio spaces. It has been so hectic. I have not had the time like I used to make the videos. Editing just takes an incredible amount of time. So either I'm going to look for an editor, or for the meantime, I'm going to try something out where I do more of like a long form video, where this might be closer to like an hour or something episode. And then I will also, in addition to releasing that one long episode, cut it up into several shorter episodes. So we'll see how it works out. If you guys like this format, please let me know, message me, or leave a message in the comments. Hopefully this works out. I'm going to be kind of going off of a little bit of a script here, and well, I guess we'll see what happens. I don't know what to call this kind of episode thing. For right now, tentatively, it's Sounds Like Soma Recording Rundown, Episode 1. Tentative name. We'll see what it ends up being. We're going to be covering a few topics today. The bullet points are quick Ableton Live tips. A lot of this is stuff that I really try to impose on my interns who are starting out. These are some Ableton Live ideas that you might not think about to keep you organized and to keep you moving really quickly with Ableton Live, whether you're new or whether you've been using Ableton for a bit. Next up is EQ mistakes and better practices. A lot of people make silly little mistakes with EQs that I feel like there's just some basic practices you can do to clean up the way that you clean up your audio. Next would be quick and easy common vocal effect ideas. This is a lot of stuff that I'm hearing on the radio, or a lot of stuff that people ask me to do at the studio. So really common, quick, easy things. A lot of different effects that you can kind of group together to make a very unique sound. This isn't like how to sound like this artist. These are common effects that people use that you can utilize yourself to develop your own sound, or to eventually sound like those artists once you kind of know what you're doing a bit more. And then last, if I have time, I'd like to start doing something where I make a quick beat just to show you guys from scratch how to start off with just a rough beat. This is just a basic idea. I'm not going to make some crazy banger. The idea is how to kind of organize and create a rough draft of an instrumental. Just something to start off with if you're really kind of beginning and you don't know where to go. Maybe if you're just not familiar with Ableton Live, but you do know how to do this in another program, it can get quite complicated, but it is easy once you kind of understand what you're doing in Ableton.